Within our school district, many families struggle financially. Our entire student enrollment, K through 12, qualifies for free breakfast and lunch. Many of our students lack internet access at home. Our Dragon Outreach provides food and clothing to students in need. With your help, the Clintondale Educational Foundation can help level the playing field by providing teacher grants, classroom supplies, scholarships, and so much more. Our goal is to better prepare our Clintondale community students for their future. As a 501c3 organization, your donation is charitable and also tax-deductible. Your generous contribution can make a positive difference in someone's life. 100% of your donation will be used to help our children. Won't you please help? Make your donation today.